place, sign in with your email ID. Okay, so do not forget that. And when you reach to this dashboard, you will find campaigns here, overview, recommendations, ad groups, ad extensions, landing pages, keywords, audiences, demographics, placement, settings, locations, ad schedule, devices, advanced change history. So you'll find a lot many options here. Okay, and once you there, you will find all the tabs here: conversions, Google Analytics, business data, policy manager, account access, linked data, billing summary. So you will find a dashboard like this. And so today the topic is about search ads, right? So we'll talk about only search ads, like how to place search ads. Chalo, let's get started. So the very important thing is like you need to click on plus symbol here when you go to campaigns, and you have to click on plus, and you need to select a new campaign. When you click on plus, and you have to select a new campaign. And as I told you yesterday, this is my objective. Okay, so sales, leads, website traffic, and consideration, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and promotion. Okay, so the point is so you can choose any objective among those. So as I told you, sales means when you have an e-commerce site or something like that, the sales objective will be useful. When you want to collect leads, and the leads will objective will be helpful to you. And when you want to grow your traffic, the website traffic will help you. And if you want to promote product and brand consideration objective, you can choose this. If you want to your brand to be considered, so that you can choose that objective. If you want brand awareness, like you want to like know your brand, like for example some people want to know your brand, and you want to explore your brand awareness to everyone, so that you can choose this campaign, brand awareness and reach campaign. And you can choose if you have launched any new app, and if you want to promote that app, and you can choose app promotion as well. Okay, so as my case, I'll show you with one example. That is I want to collect lead, guys. So I'll choose with lead ads, and then select an objective called leads. And so today I told you like when we'll talk about only search ads. So display, shopping and video will show in next coming videos. So today the topic is all about search ads. So I'll select search campaign here, and I'll select two things here. What do you want? Website visits, like I'll type here my website, www.findbusy.com. This is my website, like my company website. And I also want phone calls to get to my company, like someone wants to call on my number which I have provided in my company website. So I want phone calls as well. So I'll choose India here. So done, and I'll give my number here. Okay, and I'll place continue. So remember guys, please note it down if you have a book or a pen with you, because it's very very important. And I'll name a campaign as students test purpose. You can name anything guys. So I'll remove display here, because I want to concentrate only on search networks. That's why I'll remove display here. So I want to go with only search network. Okay, you make sure you remember correctly. So we need to fill these 4 steps: first step, second step, third step and fourth step. Okay, now I want to go with a particular location. I don't want to go with all over world, and I don't want to go with only India. And I just want to know advertise my brand in only particular area, like in particular region, because I belong to Hyderabad and I don't do business outside Hyderabad. So I want only Hyderabad city. How to do that? So select Hyderabad here, enter other location. So you see here Hyderabad, right? You can choose any location if you want, and you can choose entire India as well. You can choose all countries and territories as well. And if you want only a city-wise targets, like in India you have so many cities. Like if you guys want only cities, you can type each and every city here and add your city. And if you want to add languages, like for example you can add like Arabic, Bengali, Bulgarian, Catalan, Chinese, Croatian, so English, many type of languages are there here. So I'll just go with English simply because English is a language who everyone speaks in Hyderabad, because my target audience are who speaks in English and who are educated ones only. So I can select English here, and if you want to showcase to all language people, and you simply remove this English and stay empty. Okay, so put empty here, do nothing here in this tab, and so everything will be removed. But if you want any particular language, please type it here. And now see, audiences, if you want to add any audience, so these are my already added audience. So if you want add any audience, like for example, I belong to digital marketing agency, so I want people who really interested in digital marketing. So I'll type digital marketing here. So see, Google suggested you 15 ones. So advertising and marketing services, web design and development, sales and marketing, SEO and SEM services, email marketing services. So you can select n number of audiences here. Okay. And second one is like who are they? For example, another suggestion also Google given to us. Like you can consider if you are really interested, advanced degree or bachelor's degree. So if anybody completed advanced degree, and you can select those people as well. If anyone completed a bachelor's degree, you can also target them. So it depends upon the audience. So I have selected the audience. Okay. If you want an ideas, you can simply click on ideas. So Google will give you ideas. If you want to browse, you can browse also. Okay. So I have selected the audience. So firstly I am coming, I have selected the campaign name, I have selected search network, and I have selected location wise target, and I have selected language, and I have selected audience as well. Now we'll go into a budget. So I want to spend a budget of let's say 500 rupees a day. Okay, so I have kept my budget as 500. So Google will spend the amount 500 in a particular day. It will not spend more than 500. Okay, so need not to be worried. If you kept a budget of 500, it will spend up to 500 only. Okay, and see the type of bidding options like conversions, clicks, impression sale. So I'll tell you each and everything, or you can select here a bid strategy directly. Maximize conversions, target CPA, cost per acquisition, ROI, and maximize clicks, maximize conversion value, target impression sale, manual CPC. Okay, so I'll tell you what is conversions. Like for example, if anybody visits your site, okay, anybody visits your site and filled up form which is there in your website, like for example contact form or lead submission form, whatever it may be, if they submitted form, and if after submitting, once they got a thank you message under it, or if they redirected to a thank you page, and that is called a conversion, because someone visited your site and they have filled the form and submitted to you. That is called a conversion, because one person converted in your website, like they don't know your website and they came to your website and see all the things and they have converted. That is called conversion ads. Okay, so I'll tell you, see the other thing as well, CPC, manual CPC. So manual CPC is nothing but, for example, you want to advertise in a CPC bit, like cost per click. So I don't want to go with the conversions or something other bidding. So you want to go with manual CPC. Manual CPC is nothing but you are giving some bid to a particular keyword. For example, you have chosen 3 keywords and 3 keywords have different bidding. So that in your budget you can keep the bidding. Like for example, first keyword you can keep it as 50 rupees, second keyword you can keep it as 60, third keyword you can keep it as 70. So Google will not charge more than your bidding amount. Okay, so that is called manual CPC. And so I'll go with maximize clicks. Clicks is nothing but traffic, like many people clicking your ad regarding your interest based targeting or search based targeting or keyword based targeting. So I'll go with maximize clicks. So I want maximum clicks to be clicked on my ad, so that's why I've selected a maximum cost per click bid. If you want to set a maximize click, you can maximum CPC bid also you can select, like 70 rupees. I'll go with 70 rupees per click. So I've kept at 70 rupees. And this is my number. If you want to add the call extensions, you can add call extensions as well. If you want to add site extensions, like for example, I'll show you the site extensions as well. See, these are called site extensions: portfolio archive, pricing archive, locations, our client, triple S boutique, team archive. So these are all called site extensions. Apart from title and description, you can add more extensions to your ad so that people can recognize you and people will click your ad more and conversions will happen more. So that's why extensions will help you. So I'll add and show you one extension. So already new site link extension. So site link text, very digital marketing services. So it's exceed the max. Free digital marketing. Okay. Description one. Learn free digital marketing. And second thing, course completion certificate. And here it is asking me to add a final URL, www.findbusy.com, and in the front you have to add https at any cost. Okay, done. And you can save. Okay, so you can see your new site extension here. See, free digital marketing, learn free DDM, and course completion certificate. This is how you can add the call out extensions. And you can add any button like callers now. So you click on call out extension and add as callers now, so that people can see callers now button in the ad as well. Now save and continue. The first part is completed, and so once it redirect to the second part, and see, this is the second step. Like, you have to select a group name here. So I'll keep it as test group. So here comes the major point. Like, you have to add keywords. Like, see, I have a keywords here like SEO. I'll add an SEO keyword, and I have a keyword suggestions for digital marketing Hyderabad, SEO company in Hyderabad, email marketing. So I have added 4 keywords, right? And my daily budget is 500 rupees. And other thing I'll show you. I'll walk you through the keywords as well, how to find keywords and how to find bidding of that keyword and what price it have already, and to rank on the top page what bidding we need to give. Everything I'll show you now. So discover new keywords. Already I have told to you, and I'll type it as digital marketing agency. Okay, I'll get results. So like that, you have to search for the keywords bidding and all. So it will show you, like, see, for digital marketing agency, average monthly searches is 12,100, which is very high. And so top of page bit low range, like bottom of the page, it is 40 rupees, and top of high range, it is 115 rupees. Okay, so you like that, you can see what amount for a particular keyword have currently. So the thing is, like, you can bid anywhere in between 40 to 115. It depends upon you. If you want to rank higher, you can keep it as 116 rupees as well, because that is a maximum bid what is currently running on 115.42. You can keep it as 116. So that is how you have to choose the keywords as well. And SEO digital marketing training, I have collected this. Now I'll tell you 3 different things of keyword. So this is broad keyword. If anybody typing for SEO tutorial, SEO course, SEO services, so my ad will appear, because SEO I have kept a keyword called SEO. So beside that, after that, whatever it might contain, my ad will be triggered. This is called broad match. Okay, giving only one term and adding and placing that in Google. It is called a broad match. Like before that keyword, after that keyword, if any words contain also, your ad will be triggered. That is a broad match, because it will cost you high, because you are advertising for SEO tutorial, but someone is searching for SEO services, then also your ad will be triggered and it will cost you. So that's why I prefer mostly phrase match. So you have to keep inverted commas, SEO services. So I have given a phrase match by keeping inverted commas, so that what it happens is, like, people needs to type definitely SEO services, then only my ad will be triggered. Like before Hyderabad SEO services in Bangalore, SEO services in Bangalore, whatever it may be, my ad will be triggered because I have given SEO services and inverted commas. Okay, I'll show you the exact keyword now. So digital marketing agency, I need to put a bracket like this. Okay, so bracket in the sense exact keyword. Before, after, if you have any word, your ad will be not triggered or not shown. The keyword should be present as what you have kept in the keywords tab, like digital marketing agency. This is the only term user needs to type, then only your ad will be triggered. This is called an exact match. Okay, so this is how you can categorize your ads: broad, phrase, and exact. Okay, and you have to select save and continue. So once it's done, you are all on the third part. Now third part is all about, like for example, this is my final URL and I want to head this as free digital marketing course. Okay, see, you can see everything is changing this side. Okay, so heading 2 is like course completion certificate. Okay, and 30-day training program. Okay, if you want any path, you can add after this digital training. Okay, see, you can add here itself, and in the description also you can add like every day 30 minutes to 1 hour of class. So everything is coming great, and in the description I'll type it like so I can go with this like modules. I 26 modules, 200 plus topics will be covered. Okay, see, you can see my ad here, and once it's done, see, this is my extension as I told you, free digital marketing, where we have created in the first step, and this is call out extension where we have created in the first step itself. So once it's done, everything is done, and simply you have to click 7 continue. Boom, your ad has been approved. Now you can see continue to campaign. You can find your ad here, test group. Okay, so this is how you have to place the ad, guys. Once it's done, so you can find your keywords here, you can find your audience here, and you can, if you want to change the bidding of the ad, you can change it in settings. Go to settings. Okay, and see, this is what you have, and go to bidding, and so this is the test group, and if you want to add, if you want to enable, if you want to disable, sorry, my ad blocker. I'll show you guys. So you got the clear picture, like what is search ads. So it's that simple actually. It is not difficult to understand, it is easy to understand, but you need to focus, that's it. So you can find the ad here: enable, student, test purpose, test group, settings, demographics, each and everything you can find it here. Okay, if you want to pause the group, you can pause the group here. Okay, and if you want to go with keywords, you can go with the keywords. If you want to change keywords, and if you want to add more keywords, you can do it here. Okay, and this is your ads and extension tab. Here also you can pause your ad if you don't want to run. So for example, this is ads and extensions. Fine, this is your ad, it is in under review. Once it got reviewed, it will run. Okay, this is how you can change and do each and every step of search ads. This is it for now, because I don't want to go with the display ads now itself. I'll cover that topic in tomorrow's session, because you have to understand it very clear and you need to practice it as well. So make sure you practice these things on a daily basis, and and a text and a test coming up. So write the test, and all the best for it, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Thank you.